Hey 180 babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get this super colorful summer glam using the new Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. So if you want to know how to get this look for this summer, go ahead and keep watching. So I already have completed my face with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Rattan. It's perfect for the summer because it stays all day. And to set my face, I use the RCMA translucent powder. I'm also so excited because Japonesque just sent me their brand new brush roll. This includes 35 amazing brushes, from eyeshadow brushes, face brushes, blending brushes, everything that you really need in a brush set. So I'm so excited to be using these brushes for the next month to create some amazing looks. Let me know on my Instagram what you guys want to see with these. And they are also available at Ulta. I also love that they included this brush pamphlet because if you're a beginner and you don't really know what the brush does, it tells you exactly what it's for. Okay, let's get started on the eyes, and the first thing I'm going to do is prime them because we don't want these babies moving anywhere. I'm going to be using the eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. This stuff works like a dream. I love it. And I'm going to be using the 217 brush just to blend this into my eyes. Like I said, for today's eyeshadow palette, we're going to be using the new Born to Run from Urban Decay. It's super colorful. You got beautiful tones that are orangey, coppery, you got some teal tones, so it is perfect to create this look. So we're going to be picking up the Cut Crease blending brush. This brush is perfect for blending any colors into the eyes, and dipping it into Breakaway from the palette, which is a neutral tone shade. This is just going to set the primer for us. Using the same brush, I am going to be dipping it into Weekender, which is a little bit darker tone, and we're going to be blending that into the crease for the transition. Moving on to the most peachy shade in the palette, which is my favorite. This is Still Shot. We're going to be blending that into the crease for a deeper, more orange toned transition. It's all about the blending, and this blending brush does it perfectly for us. Moving on to Baja, which is the most orange tone shade in the palette. We're going to be blending this into the outer crease. Caution, you may experience some fallout with this eyeshadow palette, so go ahead and pick up your Fluff Concealer brush and that RCMA and put it under your eyes so it catches any of that color, or we can just dust it away at the end. And to not waste the rest of the powder, I'm just baking my jawline a little bit more. I was so inspired by the makeup artist Ashley McCrum makeup. I found this photo on Instagram, and if you guys want me to recreate your looks, tag me in your photos because I would love to. Picking up our 723 crease blending brush, I'm going to be using Punk eyeshadow just to deepen up that crease a little bit more and give it some depth. Blend, blend away, have a little dance in between, and pick up your pointed crease brush. I'm using Hell Ride, which is the next eyeshadow, and it is this really beautiful maroon shade. We're just going to be blending that into the crease in the inner corner. And I'm so excited to finally use this eyeshadow in a video. I saw this color and I literally could not stay away from it, and I had to create a look for you guys. So this is Teal Me More. It's just the most gorgeous metallic teal eyeshadow. You can use it wet, you can use it dry, but it looks so metallic on the eyes. Look at that swatch. Literally like mermaid skin. Shock! So I'm going to be using the Precision Concealer brush and my Japonesque setting spray just to wet the brush. This is going to make it a lot more pigmented when it goes on the eyes. But the shadow glides on and it's instantly bright. So you really don't need to use too much. But look at that. Like, excuse me. Going back into the palette, I'm using Punk, which is that dark brown maroon shade, and I'm just deepening up that crease. It's all about going back and, you know, making the little perfections. I'm even blending in that orange because you just need to layer and layer to get that perfect blended look. Picking up this 728 brush, I am putting it into Big Sky, which is that really pretty teal mermaid shade, and I'm applying it to that inner corner just to pop it a little bit more. And I'm also going to be applying Stranded, which is this gorgeous shimmery champagne shade, just for underneath the brow highlight. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit into that inner corner. Picking up the eye smudger brush, I'm dipping it into Ignite, which is a really nice bronzy copper shade. I'm going to blend this along the lash line just to give it a nice smoke underneath the eyes. Looking good, and we are ready for lashes. I decided to wear the Mink Caramel Lashes from Lily Lashes. You guys can use my code if you want. It's Jadey to get a little discount, but these are really fluffy and they give your eyes a nice cat eye effect. But first, we need to coat our natural lashes with some mascara, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies mascara on top and bottom. And don't forget to secure your lashes very well. We don't need no lash flying away. Picking up that fluffy brush that we applied our baking, we can go ahead and dust it away, get rid of any of the fallout, and move on to contouring. For today's contour, I'm going to be using the Jadeywadey Bronzing Duo palette. This is perfect for contouring the cheekbones as well as contouring the nose. Go ahead and pick up your Tapered Powder brush just to blend this all in. I'm also so excited to share with you guys the new Paradise Enchanted collection from L'Oreal. There's 4 different colored blushes and they all smell like peaches. I chose to wear Curios, which is the lightest peach shade from the collection, and I'm going to be blending this in with the stippling brush. And this is my first time trying the new Persona Cosmetics highlighters. These are so pigmented and super affordable. The shade is called Zuma, and it's a really gorgeous champagne glowy highlight. And don't forget to add a lot of glow to the body. We need to be glowing from every single angle. And don't forget to glow the nose with the all over lip brush. For a perfect peachy nude, I'm going to be wearing Shade 1 lip liner and lipstick from KKW Beauty. Go ahead and pack that on for that perfect nude. And then for a pop of peach, I'm going to be putting on the new Dominique Cosmetics Pink Lemonade Gloss. This stuff smells like a dream and it's not sticky at all, and it just gives that really nice glossy pout. Finish off the look with the Japonesque setting spray. This is a beautiful aerosol mist and it's really light on the skin. Okay, my loves, that is the finished and completed colorful summer glam. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I love creating it for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be part of my 180 squad. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hi! I'll be pleased.